Hey Team DPS, it's your host Natalie Brigham. Welcome back to DPS Snapshots, the show where we give you the top 5 stories you need to know for the week. Happy Friday the 13th. Bum bum bum. Despite the spooky date, I hope you've been having a fabulous week. Are you ready? Let's dive into this week's episode. Our first story is about the Cherry Arts Student Art Buying Program. DPS schools are invited to participate in the Cherry Arts Student Art Buying Program to give students a hands-on arts experience at the Cherry Creek Arts Festival. Each year, 24 schools are awarded classroom resources and a $500 budget for students to purchase original artwork from the festival to keep on permanent display at their school. 3 student representatives attend the festival with a teacher or guardian to select the artwork while learning about art appreciation, teamwork, and financial literacy. The 2026 program will take place on July 3rd, and applications are due Friday, March 20th. Both teachers and guardians may apply. More information is linked in our show notes. Next up is a story about registering for Discovery Link and Little Links. Regional registration for the 2026-27 school year will take place from March 23rd to April 30th. Registration for all regions will then open up again on May 5th and remain open. You can read the 2026-27 Discovery Link and Little Links registration document linked in our show notes for regions, locations, and more information on how to register. Our third story is about the upcoming MLE DAC. Everyone is invited to the MLE DAC, or Multilingual Education District Advisory Committee, on Wednesday, March 18th from 5 to 7 p.m. at Bruce Randolph High School. Join us for this month's session on multilingual families titled Legal Rights and Resources. You can discover your students' rights and advocacy steps to support your child's needs. Dinner, childcare, and interpretation will be available, and attendees are encouraged to pre-register via the link in our show notes. For more information, you can visit the MLE website. Our fourth story is about the upcoming Belonging Begins Here event. Join the Student Voice and Leadership team on April 11th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Manual High School for a high-energy community day designed to build confidence, connection, and community for all incoming 6th and 9th graders and their families. The event will include a student panel sharing the unwritten rules of 6th and 9th grade, an interactive workshop to build a sense of belonging for the fall, direct access to local organizations and school-based supports, and live performances, food, and a celebration of DPS's talent. You can register for the Belonging Begins Here event in our show notes. And our final story is about the DPS Community Hub Interns. Students in the 18 to 21 transition program and Northeast Early College are learning valuable skills as interns at the Far Northeast Community Hub. By working in a real customer service environment, they're preparing for future jobs. You can watch the full video linked in our show notes. That's all for this week, folks. As always, thank you to the DPS External Communications team for their help editing and producing this week's episode. We'll see you next time on DPS Snapshots.